Hello everybody, this is Rakhi Gupta here and I represent a company called as Market Story Commercial Services, and today I am here with you to do my analysis. Yes, I do my analysis every day. So I am going to show you the way I do my analysis in. Now, as you can see over here, I have opened Hindustan Unilever in front of you, and this is the weekly chart. So normally I open the weekly chart first, I see it, and I kind of have a quick view on what's going on, but just by looking at the chart, the clean chart, plain simple clean chart, I kind of get a feel of the situation here. And if you see clearly, it's been going up. I am just drawing a trend line for you over here. Right now, the trend line can be drawn in many ways. I can draw it like this, or I could have just slanted a little bit up, or there are ways that you can do it. No way is really wrong per se. I can do multiple trend lines as you can see I'm doing right now, right? So so here you go. So I can make trend lines, and then I can make support and resistance lines and all of that. Well, whatever I do, now this is my weekly chart. I use my weekly chart to understand the general direction in which the market is going, or this particular stock is going for that matter. Now, once I have done this, I am going to open a daily chart, because weekly chart, I know that this is going good for me. Now I need to see if I can really trade on it or not. So I go to my now I'm on my daily chart. Now do you see why it is expanded? This always does it like that. Okay, so it does expand. Now see this, see the lines that you see over here, they are coming from what we had drawn on the weekly chart. If you see on the daily chart also, of course, the uptrend is intact, it is in place. We are here, today is the 13th of July 2021, and let me expand this a little for you. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so today we are sitting on the 13th, and if you see the open, so this is the place where you're going to see when I'm putting my cursor, this is what we're looking at. For today, I'm going to look at my open, high, low, close, and open was 2455, high being 2455.5. You know what that means? It means that the day opened at almost the high of the day, whereas the low went as low as 2430, and it just kind of went back a little, went up a little, and closed at 2436.7. Now looking at the prices, the first feel of any stock is what you get from the prices. How has the day been? Now here, very clearly, very evidently, it has been a kind of a negative day, bearish day. You know what, we shouldn't really call it negative, because traders make money either ways. When the market is going up or down, we make money. So considering that, I shouldn't really call it a negative day. So coming back to this, the prices are have gone down today. Now, if you see that overall the market has been going up, but here there's some activity which is going on over here. For today, I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm not doing moving averages. I'm not doing MACD. I'm not doing RSI. I'm not doing harmonics. I'm not doing Elliott waves. I'm not putting jazz over here, because this is the first time that we are meeting, and I want everybody to understand what I'm doing here. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to just do charting patterns, right? So if you see here, this kind of looks like a descending triangle to me, which means, normally when we have descending triangles, we measure the height of the triangle, and whatever the height is, that becomes our target if the breakdown happens. So here, if we really see, let's measure what is the height of this triangle. Now, it's approximately here, the base point, right? The base is here. The top is approximately here for us, right? Like, it depends from a trader to trader as to, does he want to take the wicks, or does he not want to take the wicks? It depends. So here, this is approximately about 100 points, okay? So going down from 2437, 100 points down, so that brings us to 2337. 2337 is approximately here, Now do you see this? Do you see this, guys? This line is like a magic line, right? Why? Because this has been a support and a resistance all the time. You see this? Okay, let me just get it right. 2337, we are making a line. Here we come. Now, you see this? Here it was a support. Here there was a resistance. Here, well, you know, there was a fight going on between the bulls and the bears. Again here, all this while. So, the target which this descending triangle is giving us has also been a major support or resistance, however you want to call it. So this gives me a little more confidence that, you know, if the prices do fall down with high volumes, you know, let's get volumes on the page 2. Here, you see the volumes here. So now, tomorrow, if the prices fall down with high volume over here, we are going to go short. Yes, we are. And when we go short, we are going to be targeting at about 2337. And, you know, but you see this here? This is also kind of a good support or a resistance line. It has been a good support resistance line actually. So I'm going to draw this line over here. This line, okay, so many lines, right? You might get confused, but please don't. Pay attention. So here, this line is what is going to be our first target, and then this is going to be our second target, which means I'm going to probably book half of my profit here, or if not half, at least I'll book 30% of my, yeah, half actually, I'll do half of my profit here, and I will book the rest half here if it continues going downwards, because I know that this is going to act like a speed breaker for me. That is, you know, provided I am, you know, the market is going in the direction that I am thinking. And trust me, guys, market don't listen to us all the time. They can go in any direction they wish to. As I think it was Warren Buffett who said, markets are like drunkard psycho. Yeah, that's what he said. Markets are like drunkard psycho, and you never know what's he going to do. So we are just preparing. The best that we can do is prepare ourselves. So if the market goes down, we know what to do. If the market goes up, yeah, we should also know what to do. So if the market goes up, we are looking at this as a resistance line followed by this one here, right here. And if it breaks this and goes up, we know that this was probably like a flag, and we are going to trade on this the way we trade on flags, right? But for now, we are going to, you know, I'm just giving you the outlook of the market going downwards tomorrow. If it does go down, then we go short, and then when we go short, our target, the first target is at about 2378, followed by 2337 or so. You know, I normally don't stick my targets to the line. It's just a few points up and down of that. So it's going to be somewhere here and then somewhere here. So, and guys, having said that, even the most professional traders are not correct 100% of the time. What saves us is the stop loss. To learn more about stop loss, please do keep watching. And if you want to learn what am I doing and how am I trading on this, please go through the description below, and see you again. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.